Welcome back to Valentine's Week. If you're celebrating Valentine's Day at home, this drink is for you. I'm calling this one Crimson Kiss. To close out my Valentine series, I'm making Crimson Kiss, a Sorrel Mimosa that's perfect for Valentine's Day, and a toast to love. Okay guys, so for our ingredients, you are going to need your sorrel juice, and this is the sorrel or hibiscus. This is what it looks like. I already went ahead and I juiced my sorrel. I have it in the fridge. I'm going to pull it out when I'm ready to start mixing my drink. Also, you can find it in the grocery store if you cannot find the fresh sorrel. I know this is sometimes hard to find. You can find the sorrel juice or the sorrel syrup in the grocery store, guys. And normally it would say hibiscus on it. We call it hibiscus, or in the Caribbean we call it sorrel. Gives you the same results. So if you cannot find fresh, go ahead and use the store-bought sorrel syrup. And you will need a little rum. I'm going to go ahead and use my island favorite, my Bounty brand sorrel rum. And of course, you are going to need your champagne, any champagne of your choice, any champagne that is your favorite. And that's it, guys. This drink recipe is super quick and super simple. Let's get into it. To my champagne flute, I'm going to go ahead and add half an ounce of sorrel rum, half an ounce of my sorrel juice or your sorrel syrup, and you go ahead and add your favorite champagne. You can use extra dry or you can use brut. Garnish with sorrel petals and some mint. And that's it, guys. My beautiful Crimson Kiss, just in time for Valentine's Day. If you enjoyed my Valentine series, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And let me know in the comment section which one you're making. I am making all of them for Valentine's Day because I'm spending Valentine's Day at home with my loved ones. How about you? Are you making one, two, or are you making all of them? Please go ahead and let me know in the comment section which one you're making. Until the next time, thank you so much for watching. Cheers, guys. Delicious. Happy Valentine's Day, all. Bye.